How to know if someone blocked you on Facebook Messenger. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Messenger on your mobile. As you open Messenger on your mobile, then you have to scroll down or select the person that you want to check that if he blocked me or not. Then click on that person picture. Then in order to see that he blocked you or not, you have to send him a message. Let's say I am sending him a message. As I send him a message, if the tick is only one tick without the highlight in it, then the person has blocked you or the person is not available. So in order to confirm that he has blocked you have to go on his profile and then go on his main profile. As you go on his main profile, you can see his Facebook profile. Now if the person has blocked you, now you will not be able to see his Facebook profile over here. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.